Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a subscribe link for your YouTube channel. If you're new to Guide Infinity, if you could go down and hit the subscribe button and leave us a like, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is first come across to youtube.com. Now from here, you want to come up to your profile icon in the top right hand corner, give this a click, and then click on to view your channel. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually go ahead and get your channel address, which is up here in the address bar at the top. So what you can do is just go ahead and copy this. What I'm then going to do is open up a notepad and I'll show you what you'll be using this for. So you want to paste your link into here. Then what you want to do after your channel name is put the following command, which is a question mark, then sub. Then you would want to put an underscore and then confirmation. Then all you want to do is add an equal sign and then the number 1. And basically that is your link. What's going to happen is when you set this link up, if someone goes ahead and types this link or they click on a button that's got this link attached, when they press enter, it's going to take them across to your channel and they're going to be presented with a pop-up box saying confirm channel subscription, and then they can go ahead and subscribe from there. So that's how to go ahead and make a subscribe link for your YouTube channel. I really hope this video helped you guys out. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it means so much to us. We really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.